Imagine driving by a gas station every day for a little inspiration. Well, that's exactly what's happening in Gauteng, South Africa. People are altering their routes every day because they want to see what is written on a chalkboard for a little motivation. And this chalkboard is called Petro Pump Wisdom. And in this video, and that's a bit difficult to say a few times, but in this video we are going to share some Petro Pump wisdom with you.
A woman by the name of Allison Billett purchased the gas station from a fellow by the name of Dick Hutton. And Dick started the tradition of putting a quote in front of the gas station every day. And Allison has kept on this tradition, and in fact the gas station has become a landmark because these quotes have become an inspiration to the community.
Every day, Allison says, somebody drops in or calls to say thank you for the message. These quotes seem to touch people in different ways and somehow inspire people to keep moving forward. Allison says that it's learning about people's stories that really motivates her to keep writing these messages every day.
We can relate. When you reach out to us and say something that we've said in our videos has inspired you, that inspires us. Like Allison, this is what encourages us to keep making videos. So please continue to reach out to us, and we want to make a difference.
It is a privilege for us to learn what inspired you to subscribe to the video series. Even though we are connecting with people all over the world, people's stories are unique yet very similar. Everyone is looking for something. Please reach out to us at timeto at Wake the Fun Up so we can learn what your something is. We look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now.
Bye for now.